Jared, let's take a little deep dive into AutoML tables with BigQuery. Curious to see kind of what are good use cases for it? How does it work? How easy is it really to use? How auto is it? So let's just maybe dig in a little bit and talk about what is AutoML tables and what are some good like use cases for it? Where does it fit?
So AutoML tables is a tool for it's almost fully automated in terms of being able to have all of those features of your ML machine learning steps being fully automated for you. So things like feature engineering, hyperparameter tuning, all of that stuff is handled for you behind the scenes by Google AutoML tables. Once you tell it to train for a particular amount of node hours, it runs through various scenarios and it automatically provides you with the best available model it was able to produce.